How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly acquire a $100 Lyft promo code. So first of all, you have to open your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome, and next input Lyft promo code in the search bar and conduct a search. Various website links will be displayed. You have the option to visit any of these websites. For example, I'll be accessing this particular one of couponfollow.com. After I click on this website over here, I'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Upon accessing this website, you will discover numerous promo codes such as 50% off, 60% off, $20 off, $25 off, and more. Feel free to scroll down and explore all the available deals and coupons. If any of the coupon codes pique your interest, select the Show Coupon Code option over here. I have opted for the 50% off coupon code. Similarly, the terms and conditions of the coupon code are presented here. It is important to verify the expiration date and validity of the coupon code as well. You may then proceed to copy this coupon code, and when making a purchase on the Lyft website, you can apply this coupon code to receive the discount. To immediately redeem this promo code, select this particular code and click on Redeem at Lyft. By doing so, you will be directed to the official Lyft website, log into your account and apply the promo code during the checkout to avail the discount. Additionally, you can explore other websites for great deals and offers. That concludes this video. This is how you can get $100 Lyft promo codes. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.